Hello, my lovely children. Today we will learn a new letter, that is letter K. And children, this is letter K. And the sound of K is k, k, k. And K says k, k, kite. K says k, k, kiwi. K says k, k, key. And K says k, k, kangaroo. K says k, k, kettle. K says k, k, keyboard. Let's revise. K, kite, k, kiwi, k, key. K, kangaroo, k, kettle, k, keyboard. Kite, kiwi, key, kangaroo, kettle, keyboard. They all begin with k sound, and k is the sound of letter K. So, they all are the friends of letter K. Thank you. Enjoy learning, children.